Welcome to a video where I will demonstrate how to submit an assignment using the text submission box. Now, I'm in the home page of D2L. This is my class. I can see all the links at the top, course home, content, assignments. If I go down, there are announcements, links, old class videos. All right, but what I want to do is submit an assignment. I'm going to click on the Assignments tab, and here I am. I can see all the assignments for the term. Homework assignments. Some are blue. They're links, and some are not blue yet. They're black. It's not open yet. What I want to submit is the first writing. Week 1 writing, Introduce Yourself. If I click on this, I will see the description of this assignment. It tells me to use the Submit assignment, write 10 sentences, and hit Submit when I'm done OK. There is a rubric that tells me how will I pass. Well, I need to write 10 sentences. If it is shorter, I will not pass. It needs to describe me, and if it is about something different, I will not pass. And it's pass or no pass. Okay. But where do I write? Well, come down a little further. I see text submission. That's right. Text submission is where I want to write. I can just click in here, and I can start to write a nice set of sentences describing myself. If this box is small, there is a small arrow here. I can make a bigger box and see more of my writing. I need to hit it a few times, but that works. I can also, maybe I want to change the way my letters look. I can choose a different font. I can even choose a different color. Maybe I want my writing to be pink and hurt the teacher's eyes. Well, I could do that. Now, when I'm all done writing my sentences and I have described myself, it's time to submit it. I'm not done until I submit it. Here's the button. By clicking Submit, it asks me to check, is this what I want to do? Am I ready? I'm not done yet until I hit the button Done. When I am done, I'm going to get an email from D2L telling me exactly the time that I did it. And also, when I go back and I look at this assignment, I can see that I turned it in. If I click on it, I can read it. I can see the date that I submitted it. It is late. That's okay. It's the first week and I'm trying to learn how to use the system. That is how to submit using text submission. I hope that's helpful to you.